Okay. Now imagine you have reached the size you want for your ring and you want to finish it. To do this, you need to connect the beginning and the end of your beadwork. So look here. If two ends are like this, okay, you cannot connect them properly because they don't match. You can see they don't match to each other. Imagine it is like a Lego piece. One side needs to have the raised beads and the other side needs to have gaps so they can fit into each other. For this purpose, I have to add one bead here, one bead here, and one bead here. Like whatever you have learned till now, we add one bead here, one bead here, and the last one here. Now look at here. They can match very well like this. So when I reach this part, I try to fix the beginning of my work